Liam, get ready.
God. Ow. No! No! Mr. Chief, face the camera.
For them.
Oh, it's Mizzy B. Hi, Mizzy B. Oh my god.
No. Any illegal contraband? No. Let me see.
Stop, dude. No.
Ice, ice, baby. Semana que da última. She was a fairy.
Joey. 什么表情？这是？嗯？
I told you it's not a good idea.
Ow! Ow! Oh shit! Wait. 坏了 I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, go back.
Come on. The choice is yours.
The third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
You're not gonna react? Oh.
He's not overeating, I know that. Look at...
Wait. I love you so much. Hello? Where did he go? Okay, come on.
Billy Rub, you like that shit? Yeah, you do. You got that right.
That's how you stay. Ow!
I just think she's scared.
Lead me where my trust is without.
厉害啦！你再回去。
No! No!
Hello!
I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just...
Okay, okay. Hey.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
What's going on, man?
Why?
Under arrest.
Bowl empty.
Para, filha da puta, de arranhar meu sofá, desgraçado.
They heard the can open.
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
They can't be in there with their snowmobiles.
Oh God!
What are you doing?
It's a oh.
I know you're about to bite me.
Ow! Buddy! That's what we should go.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get the.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Spicy?
Good job.
fuck is this?
Nous, quand il y avait plusieurs enfants, quand il y avait 7 enfants, on mettait jusqu'à 1000, 1200 euros de course par mois.
Whisper. Whisper. No, whisper. Whisper.
Yeah, I love you. How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
So. Oh my god.
Matters the most. Not only do you have a good
Vậy bạn ơi.
Stop messing with me.
Se você não parar, eu vou chamar o Bolsonaro.
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're.
Go.
Cinder, no. What a good boy! Oh shit! Oh no! No! Oh!
You can't get up. Excuse me.